think? Do we live through days or through feelings? Passion, beauty, love. Paris. Opéra de Paris, as we say in French, is maybe one of the most iconic places on earth. Here, we celebrate emotion, passion, beauty, luxury, piece of art. And when we are talking about Hisense products, the design, the finishing, it's like a theater, like a real opera. We are really on the best place to have all these emotions, that first the design, but even all the technology inside. We are talking about luminance, brightness, contrast, sound. Everything comes together in harmony, all to awaken emotion within us. A brilliant performance, a magnificent show for our senses, a celebration of experience itself.
Our products are only emotion. Design is emotion, picture quality, and thanks to Devialet, Opéra de Paris sound, we have a perfect immersion, we have a perfect experience.
And this is what we wanted to show. At the end is all about the light that touches, the sound that paints our memories, the emotions that remain in our hearts forever.